An active social media presence is essential for any business today. With our Social Media Connect feature, e-traffickers will effortlessly and automatically share regular, high-quality blog posts across your social media accounts on your behalf. To begin, click on Social Media Connect in the sidebar. If you have not added the product to your subscription, you'll see a link to the billing page. Only website administrators or owners will be able to add the product to the website. If you do not have access to the billing page, contact your website administrator or owner to add the feature. To add the product, click on Add Social Media Connect. It will redirect you to the billing page where you can save the subscription changes to continue to connect your social media pages. After purchasing the add-on, you will notice you can connect Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This can be done for the company and for individual loan officers. The process is the same for both. In order to connect to Facebook, you must first have a Facebook business page and it must be connected to a Meta business portfolio. Follow the links here to help you do this. Once you have your business portfolio and page, go ahead and click on Continue with Facebook. You will be prompted to sign in. Then click Continue As at the bottom. Select the business that you want connected and click Continue. If you have multiple pages for your business, you will need to select the page you want the blogs to be posted on and click Continue again. Review the Requests for Permissions page and click Save. Then Got It. Your business portfolio will be connected and you will be redirected back to the eTraffickers Social Media Connect page. To connect a Twitter account, click Continue with Twitter. Sign in with the account that houses the profile you want to connect. After signing in, your Twitter account will be connected to eTraffickers. To connect your LinkedIn profile, click Continue with LinkedIn and sign in with your account. Click Allow and your LinkedIn will be connected to eTraffickers. You have successfully connected your social media accounts and eTraffickers will now post blogs regularly on your behalf. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.